Hi, my name is Luke West and I'm a lecturer on the BA Hons Game Arts and Animation course at Arts University Plymouth. Come and join the dynamic world of games and animation at Arts University Plymouth. We've got a collaborative studio environment where you can explore concept art, 3D modelling, animation, VR and way more. Join us and develop the skills needed to enter the forever developing industry. Our teaching focuses on helping you develop game arts and animation skills across 2D and 3D, from world building, character design, asset and prop creation, and even stop motion, such as Unreal Engine, ZBrush sculpting, Autodesk 3D Max and Maya, and the whole Adobe suite. Developing your unique creative voice in a collaborative and award-winning community of fellow artists who share your passion and interests. With us, you'll gain hands-on experience within interdisciplinary projects, an opportunity to collaborate with students, staff, workshops across the university, which will help you develop an expertise and your unique style that will lead to careers such as 3D artists, animators, concept artists, game artists, and more. Our graduates have worked for games companies such as Sony, Microsoft, King, Rebellion, Playground Games, Ubisoft, as well as contributing to the success of cutting-edge films for Disney, Marvel, DC and more. We have a strong link to the industry, inviting multiple visiting artists from these established studios. Unlock unparalleled facilities at Arts University Plymouth. Access industry-standard hardware and software, including Unreal Engine, Autodesk, Toon Boom and the Adobe suite. We've got VR devices and high-spec workstations for you to use. With stop-motion facilities, 3D printing, scanning studio and green screen facilities, your creativity will know no bounds. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe, affordable environment. It has a dynamic cultural scene, including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures, from easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery. It's all within walking distance from the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art in a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future for art and games. To find out more about game arts and animation, follow the link in the description.